Hey everybody, how are you? This is today's giveaway. This is, sorry for Texas, this is day 7. I gotta write it in my book. Day 7, another flip book. So this is for my birthday giveaway, which I'm going to pick all the lucky winners on September 4th. So you have to be a subscriber, live in the United States. You have to hit that thumbs up button and you have to leave me a comment. Go look at all the other videos, but this is today's. Look at how stinking cute this came out. Loving this. Absolutely loving this. I used the Autumn Orchard paper by Photoplay. See that? So that's the paper I used today. These are the cut aparts. And then you open it up, look at that. I distressed it, inked it, and then you pull the flap down and you have all this wonderful storage space, not storage space, spacing for pictures and journaling. This one I made a little bit different. I actually upped it. I did the tutorial on this yesterday, so I don't know where I left off on that last blurb, but this is my giveaway. Thank you for watching. And there's a part 2 to my tutorial. I made this video yesterday on how to make this, just the bare bones. Today's video that's coming up after this will be how to decorate it. So if you'd like to watch that, check out those 2 videos. All right, everybody, have a blessed week, a blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.